Let's solve this.
You hear the term lecture almost every day in college. It usually indicates a professor or guest speaker standing in front of the class and delivering a speech or reading some notes. Barbara Turley, R. Evan Davis, and Lisa Mantini conducted a study at OSU. They studied correlation between teaching methods and final test scores. The studies were done in various calculus classes during the 2012 to 2013 school year.
Lecturing is pretty dang common. You know, there's all this talk about modern methods and blah, 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 but man, they're not in use at Oklahoma State too much.
The research classes were separated into 3 groups. Group 1 spent less than 20% of class time in lecture, while Group 3 was in lecture for more than 60% of their class.
It seems like this research would say that the teaching methods that involved more of the interaction in class or more of the engagement of students with working on the subject in class were more effective at preparing students for a final exam.
The classes in Group 3 scored on average 70% or less on their final exam in comparison to the classes in Group 1, which scored above 70% on average. Physics senior and MLSC tutor Joey Adams says it's the student's responsibility to learn the material.
There are definitely different types of learners, and you kind of have to figure out a way to use the resources you have to be able to learn the subject.
So whether you're taking measurements, counting change, or doing statistics, math is used in our everyday lives, so it's important to learn it correctly. For O State TV, I'm Shelby Farrell.